Set up 9 pass and everything was to make a step on the men's figure fire wing. Silence creep up, not even drop a pin. People ask.
Welcome guys, Creamball back again with another reaction video. Today I'm react to Little Mix versus Blackpink. Radio 1 Big Weekend 2019 versus Coachella 2019. You see me? I already do a Little Mix versus Blackpink already. And everybody I pick Little Mix, bro. Everybody I pick Little Mix. Them say Blackpink bad thing, but look at everybody love Little Mix. You see me? I think that too, most of the people who watch this I come from England, but Blackpink and Little Mix and Fifth Harmony was my favorite girl groups. You see me? So I want to check out this and see what I'm going to feed to begin now. Yo, voila, but that's something I'm gonna keep my mouth shut, boy. Alright, salute, sound like salute. But you know it up. Attention, salute. And I do. Attention. Blackpink, I'm sure I come with no Blackpink. I love Blackpink and I love Little Mix, bro. Honest to God. I realize all of the Blackpink member them, I think them some of them have mixed family. Cause I think some of the girls them either one of them born in America, one of them born in Thailand, but it's just a mixed group, mixed Asian girl. And that's Korean. Some of that them say they're so popular too. Cause them come from different Asian countries. Oh yeah. I like the rapper, I like the rapper girl in Blackpink. I like the rapper girl. She kind of feel like, you know. Little mix bad from the Cardiff thing, you know. Yeah. With a fire. I got the power. One of them Korean girl, them slim, there, bro. Yo, them look good, but them slim, bro. Like, dude. No. No, I don't know, but I like some shape, bro. I like some shape, bro. But them look good still, but I like some shape, bro. Yo, your concerts are huge as hell, bro. I think Sean probably there on it, you know. Salute. Okay, buddy. Woman like. Woman like. This kind of like stamp the yard. Yo, but that's what I do. Let me Leia and I'm a favorite from the group, but Perrier is definitely funniest. No doubt about that. Perrier is definitely funniest. I think that sounds good. Oh, the whistle. Just I tell me that tune already, you know. I love this song, bro. You never break me down. Shout out to my ex. You know yourself. Damn. Yamaya, Bumbaya. Dirty wine, you know? Yo. That's dirty wine, bro. That's a Jamaican dance. You know that too? Just a touch of your love. Oh, just a touch of your love. Oi, oi, oi. Touch your love. Oi. Oh. Damn, yo, I never hit that down.
I don't need a man. If I'm loving you, it's 'cause I can.
Yo, Perrier, yo, I'm not say otherwise from Leah and Perrier, I think I'm my second favorite, honest to God. Cause she's a goofy, she's funny. Honest to God, I'm real tired of her. Funny as hell. Whoa. Yo, my love that thing, bro. Stay with me. You know what the funny thing to only black people alone ever react to, you know. But I know they have no other girl group, but I like if people send me some other girl Korean group, let me react to them. Just send me some other Korean group, guys. Cause I know I'm a Blackpink fan and Korean fan, K-pop fan. Send me some K-pop group, girl group. I love the girl, you know what I mean? Humba. You know, man, hear the vocal from the beautiful Leah Ann. Don't stay. No much. Oh, next thing too, somebody say more enough for dance to me I react. Listen guys, if you love music and you react to something and you want to move, that means you have force them not to do the right thing. So I have to move, you see me, because I feel the vibes, bro. Can't stop it. Involuntary action, sorry.
Can't shake you off if you suck like glue.
Okay. Okay. But don't you ever see that with a Korean group. I don't think them do them something there. Them why not there. So Blackpink, we don't have them beat. Let them make sure have them beat for that. And without them, they're dancing no man.
I don't need a man. If I'm loving you, it's 'cause I can.
Yeah, I realized it. That's a girl that bad for rapping. Not her like she bad for rapping, bro. For me, first time I hear her, I say, yo, what on her? I'm sure sound good. Okay. Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction video to Blackpink versus Little Mix. I'm not lie, I'm not decide who win or who not. As I said, the two girl group them bad, them are conquer the globe right now, you see me? But as I said, Leah and them Little Mix. Oh I'm not give to my opinion right now. You see more you guys decide. You see me? I don't know who the probably pick, but just want to give an honest opinion. I know what I'm going to see me. Anyway, peace out. That video damn long already, bro. Out.